Today is August 17, 2024. This is an update price of gold of the day. I know you have not seen Wilhelmina for a few weeks because I was been watching the movement of precious mineral like gold and diamond. Way back August 7, 2024. The price of gold was 2,399.16 per ounce. In dollars term was 77,130.55. This is on the world market price, LBMA. Our selling price less 8%. If you sign a long-term contract or if you order big quantity, instead of 8%, we give a leeway in order for you to get the profit. You will get a handsome profit. I can guarantee you 100% if you are a buyer. Not a chain of joker broker or chain of joker buyer, because there are two kinds of people in this world, joker and real. Joker means floating around, bargain, comparing prices. At the end of the day, they don't have the money to pay for it. Now, on August 15, the price of gold was 2,458.21 per ounce. In dollars term was 79.33.33 per kilo. That was August 15. Now, on August 8, way back August 8, 2,389.68 per ounce. In dollars term, 76,828.21 per kilo. Now today, August 17, the price of gold was 2,508.16. In dollars term, 80,639.50. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, what is the price? Well, the price is less 8% LBME. Now I'm gonna get the calculator. Now today, we talk about today. Forget about the previous days. Assuming you're gonna confirm to buy today because you need the supply urgently if you are from Europe or America or in Dubai. Now, out of 80,639.8, let's say I'm gonna round up to 80,639, less 8%. Your profit per kilo is 6,451. Now, out of 8% on 80,000, less 80,639. This is the selling price, 74,000 per kilo. Now you're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Well, you're in business. You know that the gold is a world asset. Of course, it is expensive because the meaning of world asset, there is a value. Yeah. So you don't need to be involved in business if you don't have the capital. 98% of gold produced in Africa. 50% diamond produced in Africa. Now, my role is very important to your business. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. I was the one who promote Africa. And you would not find a person like me on YouTube channel or on Facebook platform. I was the one who introduced this. I mentioned that many times on my previous video. Now, in every video, there is a date so that you will understand that the procedure are all the same except the price. Now, going back to the price, there is a minimum to purchase. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. In order to get good profit, at least 10 kilos to start with, at least. But if you want to buy 50 kilos, 100 kilos, the more you get, the more profit. Because I'm going to help you to renegotiate the price, right? Instead of 8%, I might pressure the seller to give you 13 or 14%. So when you resell it to your own end customer, or 2.5 or 3%, you get more profit. The more you order, the more you buy, big quantity, the more your profit is higher. But if you buy 10 kilos, just only reasonable. But if you buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, there is no profit. Why? You have to travel, you have to buy a ticket, you have to pay hotel accommodation, etc. Now, Wilhelmina is also charging my services to you. So you have two options. You don't need to pay my extra service of $20,000 to assist you to travel, to accompany you, so that you would not encounter disaster. I refrain using scam, because scam means lied or cheated. You might be cheated. Yes, guaranteed. Because I've been in Africa many times. I brought the buyer. Transaction has been successful. So I handled Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Now, Conakry and Dubai is one stop. If you are buying from Dubai, buy gold in Conakry. Okay? Because Conakry, the Emirates direct flight. If you're going to go to Mali to buy, you might use Air France. So you have to stop over in different airport as a transit. So you need to ship the gold to your destination. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, why should I pay you $20,000? That's a very good question. You don't need to pay my extra service if you don't like it. 8%. I will arrange all the necessary paperwork from the head office. You travel. And before you travel, you need to convince Wilhelmina, because I am a gatekeeper of the seller. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. Don't be involved in business if you don't have a capital. Don't. And don't be involved in business if you don't have a license. Because when you bring the buyer to your destination, you need to have an importation license. You need to have a license to carry. Yeah? So you need to plan properly. You cannot just cut corner. You might lose money if you're cutting corner. Believe me, 100% guaranteed. So, you're gonna ask, well, Amina, what is the procedure? The procedure is in front of you. When you watch this video, listen from the beginning to the end. Don't be excited. Subscribe and click below, click on the bottom, then you can see the full corporate offer very extensively. Take time. Digest it properly. Do not come to Wilhelmina until you read the full corporate offer. The full corporate offer is like this. We are offering to sell the gold to you. That is full corporate offer. You're going to say, well, Amina, what is the purity and the carats? You're not paying attention. The purity and the carats, it's on this video. The carats is 22 plus, sometimes 22.55, sometimes 22.54, equivalent to 23 carats. The purity is from 95, 96, 97. It is on this video. So I don't need to explain, because I already explained all the answers and questions is in front of you. If you are not paying attention to me, you are not a buyer. Really. You are not a buyer. Because if I am the buyer, I'm going to pay attention. I will read. I will digest it. Whether I can afford to pay. Because this is $500,000. This is not a potato business. This is not a banana business. You need to have a capital in order to get the profit. Don't be deceived. Do not let someone deceive you to offer you cheap price. Do not. I'm warning you. And if someone offer you to pay taxes, don't. Why? That is normal. You have to pay taxes. That is normal. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Now, let's talk about government sales tax. That government sales tax is the income of the country. So, when you buy gold in Conakry, if you are from Dubai, you inspect the gold in the office. You bring your own gold tester. You invest. You can buy the gold analyzer online worth 15,000, sometimes 20,000. There is second-hand 10,000. That's not my business. You just search gold analyzer online. You can buy online. Everything now is online. You are buying gold online via Wilhelmina. So, if you want more, there is a link on this video. You can click on the link, then you can go to my platform on Facebook. Picture, everything. What the procedure on this video, exactly the same on my platform on Facebook, except there's a lot of explanation on picture. There's a message on picture. I was in Mali last year. I was in Conakry. I was in Sierra Leone. So that is my explanation to you, so that you will feel comfortable. Do not travel if you are not certain. If you're gonna be offered cheap price, please think about it. Gold is money you're buying. Gold is the world asset. So you make sure that you know what you are doing. Now, I'm not supposed to tell you. I can only assist you when you buy gold from us. Because I know my seller, the transaction has been successful. I need to be with you from the beginning to the end if you can afford to pay my extra services. You're gonna say, well, Amina, how much you charge? I do charge $20,000. Why? To travel from Australia to Africa, it costs money. I have to buy my ticket, hotel accommodation, and spending money. I'm gonna be with you for 8 days. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm scared. Why should I pay upfront? There is no upfront. There's none. You order, for example, you order 50 kilos or 20 kilos. That 20 or 50 kilos that you order, you're gonna inspect that in the office. You don't need to go to the village. You don't need to go to the mine because it's too far and it's very dangerous. The gold is already in the office, ready for inspection. So you need to have a gold analyzer to make sure that you are buying high grade, because there are two kinds of gold, low grade and high grade. Low grade is 12 carats, 14 carats. The high grade, 22 plus carats, 95, 96 purity. The low grade, 85% purity, but there is gold. There's 75 purity. There is gold. That low grade to make into full state, to make into spare parts on mobile phone, to make into $1, $2. The high grade, jewelry, gold bullion, etc., etc. So there is a certain point that gold has many uses. You can make into spare parts, medical uses, and etc., etc. So you don't need to ask, well, Amina, I want gold bullion. Okay, you can buy that in the bank, because gold bullion is stuck in the vault in the bank. You can only buy serial number, because there is a serial number. That is why 99.99. You can buy that in the bank. There is no discount. 80,639 the price of the gold bullion. Now you are buying unrefined, which is Doribar. You can refine it into different uses. That is why we give you 8%. So if Wilhelmina gonna be with you, I will renegotiate the price on your behalf. Okay? I might ask the head office, I validated this buyer. Buyer show his business registration. Buyer show his importation license. Buyer show his passport copy. And the buyer shows his proof of fund that you have $1 million is standby in your bank account. Your bank statement will signify that you are a buyer. So you don't need to be scared, because Wilhelmina will be with you from the beginning to the end. Now, if you cannot afford, therefore, you cannot afford to pay the gold. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service and you're scared, well, no one is forcing you to pay my services. Just read the full corporate offer. Just watch on this video. 8%. Yeah. Then you travel, and then I can monitor your movement via online. If there is a problem, do not come back to Wilhelmina, because I'm too far for you. Now, I'm going to give you an example. Every day, I receive a sad story. There was a buyer. He's American. He went to Kampala, and he has only $40,000. He was offered very cheap to pay taxes. And I told this American guy, do not travel because you have a limited cash. So he wanted to buy gold in order to make money. He's greedy. And he paid, I think he gave $10,000 to pay taxes on 35. And I told him, no, that is not enough to pay taxes. You have not paid the gold. So he flew to Dubai. The gold didn't arrive. And this American guy is stuck for 4 years. Now, every time I fly to Africa, I stop over in Dubai. He become friend with Wilhelmina. I let this buyer come to have breakfast with me, lunch and dinner at Holiday Inn. Every time I come to Dubai, I stay in Jibora Hotel. I stay in Holiday Inn because closer to the airport. So, I look at this American. He's a bigger. Yeah, he's a foreigner. His eyes is bigger than $1. So I feed him breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I told him, you better go back to America because you would not get business here. You don't have a license. Because he was thinking that he has a friend to get the gold and make profit. So I told this American buyer, I think you're dealing with money laundering and gold laundering. You are going to launder because you don't have the money. You can only afford to pay taxes. Don't do that, Mr. Buyer. You are going to encounter disaster. Guaranteed. Another buyer went to Mali. Now this buyer, we send him the contract, we send him the visa, not knowing he has a secret. He was dealing with the seller in Mali. Now, the gold will sell it to Dubai. He showed me his business registration, etc., etc. So he has the visa. You know how much the visa that the head office apply for you guys is $150. So he went to Mali recently. What happened? He had carried the gold 2 boxes. Now, when you fly to Mali, you have to stop over to airport, connecting flight. Transit, we call that transit. So, when he arrived in Accra Airport, he was being questioned. Now, his gold was being questioned by the custom. Why? He told me that the export documentation, there was no ECOWAS certificate. Correct. So the seller was not aware. So the seller was excited. So I told this buyer, everything is on my platform. You did not read. You need a child labor certificate. I put that on this platform. And you need the ECOWAS certificate. Because the ECOWAS will say, did the seller pay the tax? Or did the buyer pay the tax? Or did the seller remitted the tax to the government? So there is a charge on ECOWAS certificate. And also the seller has to provide because he is going to export to you, but you need to pay. So what happened? This guy from Europe, because he's going to sell the gold to Dubai, he get out in the airport. Okay? He was stuck in Ghana for 1 month. Then he has been asking to me if I could help him. Now he already spent $60,000 together with the seller with him. So my analysis, therefore, he did not pay the gold. Maybe he was talking to the seller to pay taxes because the seller is accompanying him. No one will give it to him for nothing. You never know, he might run away. So both of them, buyers and sellers, stuck in Ghana. Right. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you understand this logic, then you have to learn from this experienced woman. Another 2 ladies. They went to Kampala. Again, they lost $600,000. Exactly the same pattern. Now he found me on my YouTube channel. So I told him, do you have a business registration? They do. Do you have an importation license? They did. So they are now in Dubai again. They're gonna say, well, Mina, we will buy gold for you and we are willing to pay your $20,000 to assist us because our buyer is really, really hungry of this precious mineral. So I advise him, because you are going to bring the gold to Dubai, you better contact Sky Cargo Emirates, because you need to ship the gold from Conakry to Dubai, then you are safe. So now they are in Dubai, and they said to me this morning, well, Amina, please, we need the gold. Well, I told him, if you have the money, you can have the gold. Now, 80,000 today. You have not convinced Wilhelmina. So what happened tomorrow or next week? This 80,000 could be 90,000 because there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,500 or 3,000 per ounce. Multiply that to 32.15 equals. Use your calculator. Now, Mr. Baya, if you pay attention watching this video, you will not encounter disaster. I'm telling you. You will not encounter disaster if I'm gonna be with you. Why? I know my seller. I can renegotiate the price for you. Instead of 8%, I have to pressure my head office to give you 14%. Then when you resell it to 2.5 or 3%, you have still 11%. You make profit. You owe me a favor instead, because without Wilhelmina, you would not get 14 or 15%, because the seller would not give his gold for nothing. Because my seller trusts me, because I know my seller, and I have to pressure my seller that I validated you. You showed me everything. Then you will receive a letter of confirmation of your order. And then you will receive the contract. The banking details of the seller would be in this contract. We don't send blank contract because we don't want to float around the contract. The contract must be sent to you as the buyer, because we are going to send you the company profile of the seller, mining license of the seller, an export license of the seller, and Wilhelmina will bring you to the office, and your order is waiting for you. Now, because you are from Dubai, you want gold in Dubai, everybody want to sell in Dubai. Now, when the gold will be in the office, you inspect it, you like it, you have a gold analyzer, you need to pay the deposit, the commitment, not upfront. Remove that mentality upfront. You already sold the gold. You want to proceed based on the contract. The contract has a provision subject for inspection. So you need to make a deposit of 15 to 20%. It depends on the negotiation on the actual. So, your payment must be bank to bank. You only allowed to carry $10,000. Now, you transfer from your bank account to the seller's bank account. The corresponding bank of the seller is New York. Then from New York to Africa, then to the central bank to the local account of the seller. So it would take 3 working days. After the clearance of the deposit, then the seller will process the export documentation. Now, the balance, you need to transfer the balance again because this is FOB. This is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. No. This is not letter of credit. No. This is not bank instrument. This is FOB. So you're going to stay in Africa. You can stay in Conakry, Mali, or Sierra Leone 8 working days. Your payment must reflect into the cash inflow of the government, especially in Conakry. The seller will send a letter to central bank that he is going to bring his gold ready for export. So the central bank will say, where is the receipt of payment of the buyer? Because the gold has to be in central bank to be kept ready for fly. So when your payment has been cleared and the central bank will give the certificate of clearance that the gold is free of illegal activities, then the armor car, if the export documentation has been completed, then the armor car will bring the gold from Central Bank of Conakry to the airport, ship it to your destination, especially in Dubai. If you are using Sky Cargo Emirates, ship it to Dubai because you have the license to import. There is no problem. So you got my explanation, Mr. Bayo? Impossible you don't get that. You don't get this information. Impossible you don't understand. When my seller hired Wilhelmina, my seller didn't explain to you like this. Nah. You're lucky to meet this woman. Why? I was the one who introduced this. I used to be on real estate. Buying and selling exactly the same. You have to pay. You have to pay for it, whether you like it or not. To buy property, my client is always prompt with me. Because when the buyer buy the property here, when I was in real estate in Brazil, my question is, have you been to the bank? Because you cannot buy gold, you cannot buy property unless the bank pre-approve. So I haven't. Okay, go back. Go to your bank first. Ask for the bank how much the bank allowed to have a loan. Because you are going to buy 450,000 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms. Buying gold exactly the same. You need to have $500,000 or $1 million. So if you don't have $500,000 and then you're going to think that you are going to leverage, forget it. You wouldn't. You need to have at least $500,000, at least to start 10 to 20 kilos. Then gradually you increase your order. Very clear if you have money. And if you are just brokering, it wouldn't work at all. I'm telling you. Especially Chinese and Indian are very smart. The Chinese and Indian wouldn't meet the criteria with Wilhelmina. I'm very sharp. That is why when you come for interview, I have to ask you to open your camera because I want to see you. Whether you are truthful. I can distinguish right and there. There are 2 kinds of people. Liar. Liar, liar, liar. There are 2 kinds of people. Good and bad. Wilhelmina is in the middle. I can be good and I can be bad. You got my point, Mr. Buyer? Very clear. If I am the buyer, I have to pay attention with Wilhelmina. You are using my services, my dear. I'm not for free. Gold is not for free. Everybody come to Wilhelmina. Why? I'm the only person who put everything on YouTube and on platform. You would not find a person like this. Nah. The information I provide is worth $1 million. But when I travel, it's more than $1 million because you could not proceed, and I'm telling you, if I'm not around, I can tell you, you are encounter disaster. I'm telling you, don't be a joker, because if you made a mistake, then your money would be tralala. Just example, this American guy and this guy from Europe, he went to Mali. He lost money. And then the American buyer went to Ghana, lost $1 million. Mr. Buyer, do you want to lose your $1 million? Do you want to lose your $500,000? It's better you spend money to make money. I'm telling you, you will not lose money if I'm gonna be around with you. What is $20,000? My travel cost. Next year, I'm going to charge $25,000. 2020, I charge $10,000. 2021, 22, $15,000. 2024, $20,000. 2025, $25,000. When the price of gold is high, of course, all the expenses is high. Airline, hotel, food. Do you mean to say, Mr. Buyer, I'm going to fly just for you for free? No. When you sell the gold to your customer, you make money. So at the end of the day, Mr. Buyer, you owe me a favor. Put that into your brain. My seller would not give you what I have offer you. Because you're paying my services, I am gonna be a good negotiator on your behalf. Does that make sense, Mr. Buyer? Now, Mr. Buyer, I would not stay longer, so I'm going to put the procedure on this video. I'm gonna put the date. Pay attention, listen from the beginning to the end. That is the time you come for conference live video call. If you are from Dubai, download Botim, because Dubai would not accept WhatsApp, only Botim. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant weekend. Today is Saturday. So on Monday, we don't know how much is the gold, because gold is fluctuate. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Here in Australia, in Brisbane, it's evening. In your end, morning. In Dubai, afternoon. Okay? Thank you.